Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate fuboTV on your Android TV box, follow these simple instructions to start streaming live sports and entertainment. Step 1. Turn on your Android TV box and navigate to the Google Play Store from the home screen. Step 2. In the search bar, type fuboTV and select the official fuboTV app from the search results. Step 3. Click Install to download and install the fuboTV app on your Android TV box. Step 4. Once the installation is complete, open the fuboTV app from your app list. Step 5. On the welcome screen, select Sign In or Activate to begin the activation process. Step 6. An activation code will appear on your TV screen. Make a note of this code. Step 7. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and go to fuboTV Connect. Step 8. Enter the activation code displayed on your TV, then log in with your fuboTV credentials. If you don't have an account, sign up for a subscription first. Once verified, your Android TV box will automatically refresh and fuboTV will be activated, allowing you to watch live sports, news, and shows on your big screen. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.